In this video, we are making a gift box using corrugated plastic sheets of Coroplast. To cut out and crease the box template, we are using Vision's VR48 CNC router engraver. The tools we are using are Vision's Oscillating knife and Creasing wheel. Both are available options for Vision's 1624R and larger machines. The VR48 is available with a heavy-duty aluminum T-slot table or vacuum table. It features Vision's advanced V-Touch technology, which includes a multifunctional touchscreen pendant. V-Touch technology allows for a more intuitive user experience. Other options include an engraving head, a high-frequency spindle, drag knife, auto raster braille inserter, Unist misting system, DAX print-to-cut, and more. From small desktop-sized engravers on up to 4-foot by 8-foot router engravers, Vision's machines are offered at best-in-class pricing. Vision Engraving and Routing Systems has been manufacturing quality-made precision machines in the USA since 1983. You can be confident when purchasing a Vision. Contact Vision today for a free live online machine demo.